Pilot Jim Payne was ready to pounce when favorable weather over Nevada's mountains created an opportunity to break a sailplane distance record in a one-of-a-kind aircraft. The record flight was nearly 600 miles long on a triangular route that began and ended in Minden, Nevada. The record broken, distance around a triangle, and speed around a triangle in a two-seat, open-class sailplane flown in the United States.
The weather turned out to be pretty good. I averaged 90 miles an hour around the triangle, which beat my old speed record from 24 years ago by 12 miles an hour. So we're pretty happy. It was a beautiful day and a beautiful flight.
The sailplane he flew was built by the Nixus Project, led by Brazilian-born aerospace engineer and professor Paulo Iskold. Paulo built the sailplane with some hands-on help from his students at California Polytechnic State University in San Luis Obispo.
And of course, when you tell a student, okay, the airplane that you helped to build, you put the carbon fiber on, you put the resin on, it set a record. That puts the students' motivation super high.
The Nixus Project glider has a few defining characteristics that make it well suited to breaking records.
The aspect ratio is 53.3, which is nothing less than the second biggest aspect ratio ever built in the aviation history.
That means the wing is very long. Nixus has a wingspan of nearly 100 feet, and it's extremely thin. The wing is so thin that you just can't fit the typical mechanical flight controls, so Paulo implemented a fly-by-wire flight control system. And Jim has his eye on other records in the Nixus glider, including the longest distance covered in a sailplane.
Well, ultimately, I've done a 2,900 kilometer flight in wave. One of our goals is to fly over 3,000 kilometers in one flight.
The team hopes the project will inspire students and others interested in aviation.
We all have a kind of a drug that we addict to it. And aviation seems to be a really good one. Get people out of trouble, and if we can use this to inspire young people to go that direction, I think that's great,
Jim Moore, AOPA Live.